Hello guys, it's already 11:50 in the morning and I'm on my break. Like 11:10 to 12 noon yung break ko. So I'm just checking the papers of the kids. And yun nga, I'm just waiting for my lunch break para makakain ako ng lunch. And TMI, so whenever I'm on my break, may teacher na nagtuturo in my classroom and on the sa kabila, so medyo maingay, so be there with that guys. So ayun.